The topic of tonight's video is how to withdraw from Transak to your bank account. So the first thing that we want to do is head over to transak.com. And in here, what you will see is a buy and sell option, and we obviously want to click on sell. Then we'll select sell as an individual, and that'll redirect us here. And now we want to jump over to sell. Then we want to select our cryptocurrency. So let's just leave it on Ethereum, on the Ethereum network. Here we can see all our calculations and how much we are going to get. You can do the same thing for your received currency. You can change it from euros. And you can also decide if you want to do a manual bank transfer or a Visa card payment. Then when you're done, you'll click on sell now. And in this screen, you will just put in your email address. And then all you need to do is wait for Transak to send you an email. And you will be able to continue with the prompts from there. Thank you so much for watching. Please do keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses you occur will be fully on you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.